Hi friends, so let's make a cup of black coffee using French press coffee maker. First take your French press coffee maker. Use a good quality coffee powder. That is very important to get a perfect cup of coffee. So add in 2 scoops of coffee powder into your coffee maker. Add in hot water as strong as you like, because the lesser the hot water you add, the more strong the coffee gets. Let it steep for 4 minutes. After that, slowly press your French coffee press. So this way the coffee sediment settles in the bottom and you get fresh brewed coffee in the top. Pour yourself a cup of coffee and enjoy hot. That's it. This is how you make a perfect cup of coffee in a French coffee maker. Hope you like this video. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.